Assalamu alaikum, dear faculty members. This is Dr. Kaisar Iqbal. Some of the faculty were asking that because the file upload limit is 2 megabytes on portal and they are not able to upload large files. So for that, I have suggested one solution that they can add their files to Google Drive and then copy a link over here. It will also work very easily and students will just have to click on the link and they will be directly taken to the Google Drive. For example, I have uploaded this one lecture which is a video file of about more than 30 MB, and you can see it directly takes me and play the file from there. So I will just show you how to do it. So first of all, you will have to open your Gmail, and in that go to Google Apps, click over here, and then there is a drive option over here. So you will click the drive option over here. So once your drive is open, now this is all the folders which you have. I am currently using this folder, but I will make a new folder in which you will keep all your data and you will share that folder with the students. So it's very important that you will make it shareable with the people who has link. So you will click on new folder, give it the name. I will give it the name Geotech. Okay, I've got Geotechnical Engineering 1 already, so I will just give it Geotech name. Now it has made the folder which you can see over here. I will just double click on it. So this is open now, and now you can see over here this is not shared with anyone. It's important that you make it shareable, so you will click on share over here, and then you will basically share it with people who has the link. Okay, private access, only you can access. You will change it to anyone with the link. Okay, so you will save it like this. So now anyone who has this link can view this folder. Okay, so prevent the editors from changing access. You will just leave it like this and click done. Now your folder is ready. You will basically add the file into it. So it's very easy. I will just tell you about the drag and drop option. You can add from here as well by adding new folder or new file as well, but you can add from here directly. For example, this is Introduction to Geotechnical Engineering. The file size is about 12 megabytes. Okay, so I will just simply drag and drop the file over here. So now it is uploading. You can see over here the file is being uploaded. It will take less than a minute, and see over here. So in a while the file will be available over here. Okay, so now file upload is finished. So I will just close this menu. This is the file which you have. Now you can basically give them the link to the folder as well, but it's better that for every activity you give a direct link to the file. So you will right click on the file and get a shareable link for this particular file. Okay, so if you click on this, it will show you the shareable link which you can see over here. Copy this link. Okay, I will do it again for you. Get a shareable link and then copy the link. Okay, Control C. Then I will come back to the course now here. Now I want to add, for example, a new topic. Okay, under topic 2 I want to edit, so I will turn editing on in the portal. Now it's on, and under topic 2 I want to add this chapter in PDF or PowerPoint in this case. So I will just click on click the add activity. In this menu on the left you will see in the bottom you have URL option. So you will select this, you can double click this, or you can single click this and then click the add button over here. Now it will take you to URL adding option. Now I will just write over here the name of the topic. For example, it is the Introduction to Geotechnical Engineering. Okay, I can give the description, like for example, this is lecture 2 week 1, for example, and you want to check, you want to display this on the page, the information. So you will just click this. Here is the external URL option, so you will just Control V and paste your link over here, okay, and save and return to course. You will click on this and you will see that your link will be added, and you can easily access that file directly from here. So here is the file added. You can basically, another thing which I recommend, that whenever you add a new topic, you highlight that. This one is highlighted now, you can see over here topic 1. I have now added topic 2, so I will unhighlight by clicking this on this bulb button. So now this is unhighlighted, and I will highlight this one by clicking on the bulb. So you will see this is now the new topic for the students. If they want to go to this particular PPT file, you will just directly click over here. Okay, now see it's working. It is just directly taken them to the drive. Now from there, here they can download it easily. Okay, the presentation is there. They can view it online as well, and they can download by clicking on this icon as well. So thank you very much for watching. Hope it resolves some of your issues.